Everyone, today in this video we are going to be learning the basic structure of an Express application. So what are the folders you need to have and how are you going to just create them? So I created a folder called Backend, and that's where we are going to be having our Express application. And I just open up this folder inside a code editor, which in my own part I'm going to be using the Visual Studio Code. So you can use any code editor of your choice. It doesn't matter actually. So in my own part I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I'm creating a new file inside the folder called index.js. So we need to have an index.js or server.js file. So now I open up a terminal inside the Visual Studio Code, and trust me, it doesn't matter. You can open up the normal terminal. Just make sure you are in the directory of the folder you are going to be creating your backend application in. So in my own scenario, I'm having the backend folder. So let me open up this inside the terminal also. So you can actually run every command you wanted from here rather than just opening up the terminal in Visual Studio Code. But it's a little bit better and easier if you are using Visual Studio Code to just open up the inbuilt terminal, because it's going to just take you to the directory you wanted. So I want to do npm install. I just want to do npm init-yes, because I want it to just create me a package.json file, and I don't want to be answering this bunch of questions. That's why I give it a yes flag. So, and then you can see we have package.json file created already by just running the npm init-yes. And I want to install Express.js. So npm install Express is going to make sure it's install Express for me. So I have npm install Express, and it's already installing the Express.js for me. So I can just wait and give it some time. And in a few minutes time, trust me, everything is going to be done. So let's just wait. Well, fine. I think Express.js is installed successfully, and you can see we have the node modules, package log.json, and a lot of things installed. So that's necessary. So I want to create folder. So the first folder I'm going to be creating here is the controller folder. So these are the basic, folder structure you need to add to your application. Trust me, you might see some tutorial outside there that doesn't create all this folder, but it doesn't matter. It's not a must do, but it's better to make for clean and clear code. So this route folder I mistakenly created inside the controller folder. I will bring it out now by just dragging it out, because it's not supposed to be nested in the controllers folder. So we have controllers folder and we have the route folder already. That's two folder. So I will head over to create more folder. We have the middleware folder. For now, we're not going to be writing anything inside all these folders, but trust me, they are necessary, and we are going to be putting some things in there later in the future in this application. So, and then I'm going to create another folder called model. And I think for now, that's all we needed. And maybe later on, we're going to be adding more folders and file. But for now, I think this okay: controller folder, the middleware, model, and the routes folder. So that's totally fine for us. And if you have any question, you can just comment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.